Hello and welcome to a closer look at this stunning vintage statement necklace and earrings set featuring rich ruby red resin pieces. Inspired by nature's beauty like spring leaves and butterflies, each piece is handcrafted by skilled artisans through a detailed, multi-step process. The elegant geometric bib necklace includes an adjustable collar length of 15.8 plus 3.2 inches, perfect for various neck sizes. This set comes beautifully packaged in a chic Maisita signature gift box, making it an ideal gift for weddings, parties, or special occasions. Made with durable zinc alloy buttons, the vibrant colors and chunky design make it suitable for both formal and casual wear. Whether you're going to a prom, holiday celebration, or a night out, this jewelry set is sure to turn heads. Remember to check the size details and model photos before making your choice for the perfect fit and style. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.